Hello Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and my favorite thing about the winter for sure is the snow. It's so beautiful, you can make snowmen, and I love some snowflakes. So today we are going to make our own snowflake garland. It can be made with just a few simple materials: construction paper, white string, a sewing needle, white pom-poms, and scissors. The first thing that we're going to do is take our paper and fold it in a certain way. Take the corner and fold it to where it meets the paper, just like that. You're going to have a little bit of excess paper, and we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Next, we're going to fold our triangle one more time to make it a little bit smaller. And then we're going to fold it one more time. And we're going to fold it to where the ends meet in the middle, but you have two lines that are different like that. And then we're going to take our scissors once again and cutting those two pieces off. And it should look like this, like a little ice cream cone. And now it's the fun part. You can use your imagination for this, and you can cut anywhere along these edges in the middle to decorate your snowflake. I'm going to go ahead and cut some designs into my snowflake. And one important part, don't forget to recycle those extra pieces of paper. You can either put it in a recycling bin, or you can use it for snow for decorations. Okay, now that we've cut our snowflake, it's time to unfold and see how it turned out. Carefully unfold it because you don't want to rip your snowflake. And wow, look at that masterpiece. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat this step as many times as you would like for your garland. I'm going to make about 4 or 5 of these, so I'll meet you at that point. So now that we have all of our snowflakes cut out, it's time for the fun part, putting everything together. You're going to go ahead and take your sewing needle and your string and lace it through. Next, we're going to go ahead and pick up one of our snowflakes, and we're going to string the end, the middle, and then the other end with our string. You're gonna go in, out, and then back in. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pick up one of our puff balls and string it through the middle and pull it just like that. And we're going to repeat this step until all of our snowflakes are on our string. And there you have it, our very own snowflake garland. That was so easy. Oh, I cannot wait to decorate this. I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up in my house. I can't wait to see what your garland looks like too. Happy crafting!